everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make tuna bean sprouts. The combination of tuna and bean sprouts is really addictive, and also bean sprouts are really affordable yet nutritious. So if you like bean sprouts, I recommend you to try this out. It is a quick and easy recipe using a microwave. Of course, you can boil the bean sprouts if you don't like to use microwave. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Wash and place the bean sprouts in a microwavable dish. You can of course boil to cook the bean sprouts in a pot. Add drained canned tuna with oil, no oil, either one is okay. Add Japanese Mentsuyu soup base. Mentsuyu is Japanese soup base for noodle dish. You can use any brand of course. Cover with plastic wrap, then microwave medium for 3 minutes. Toss with sesame oil and sesame seeds to finish. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
I am 5. I am 6. I am 7.
次は
I am 8.
そう
ああ、ひびが
上手じゃない
上手。もうちょっと。よし、オッケー。これでできるかもよ。めっちゃだ、めっちゃだ。あれ？卵。オッケー。ちょっと。
あ、上手。明日できるね、お手伝い。